Here's to the dreamers, the disruptors, the risk takers, the ones who see beyond the horizon, the architects of tomorrow. You're not just part of the game, you're the game changers. Visionaries who dance on the edge of impossibility. In a world of what is, you ask what if. Your ideas spark revolutions, your actions redefine industries. You're not afraid to risk, to challenge, to turn the world upside down. You're the force that propels us into futures we've only dreamed of. Without you, progress stalls, the giants remain unchallenged, and the status quo becomes a permanent echo. But with your presence, it's a different story. You redefine the rules. Each line is not only questioned, but reimagined. Every impossibility isn't just a challenge, it's a spark igniting your relentless drive to dismantle the barriers of the conceivable, paving the way for progress. You redefine what it means to be founders. Your influence extends far beyond the tangible, inspiring generations. With every step you take, you're moving the world forward. As we stand on the shoulders of the trailblazers who preceded us, we're not just supporting you, we're joining you in a journey to redefine the world. To every founder, to every future entrepreneur who dares to dream big, we don't just believe in you, we see the future in you. You can change the world.